Mark, can you open the door? I am very tired.
I thought you had the keys in your bag.
No, I gave them to you at the cafe.
Are you sure? I don't remember taking them.
Yes, I put them on the table near your phone.
Let me check my pockets again. I have nothing here.
Check your jacket pockets too. They are very deep.
I am checking. There's only some old money.
This is not good. It is very cold out here.
Let me look in my jeans. Maybe they're there.
I am looking in my bag for the third time.
Do you see them near your wallet?
No, there are only pens and my mirror.
This is a big problem. We are locked out.
Did you leave them in the car?
No, I locked the car with the car key.
The car key and the house keys are together.
No, I have the car key on a different ring.
Why do you have them on different rings?
Because the house keys are very heavy.
Mark, that was a bad idea.
I know that now. I am sorry, Emma.
Don't be sorry. Let's find a solution.
Maybe they fell under the floor mat.
No, it is empty here.
Let me use my phone flashlight. It is dark.
Good idea. Look near the stairs.
I am looking, but I only see dust.
My phone is at 5% battery.
My phone is at 10%. We must be fast. Did you have them when we left the park?
Yes, I used them to close the gate.
Then we went to the bakery for bread.
I remember putting them in my coat pocket.
Check your coat pocket right now, Emma.
Oh, there's a hole in my pocket.
A hole? Is it a big hole?
It is big enough for a key. This is terrible.
So the keys fell out during our walk.
We walked for 3 kilometers today.
We cannot find them in the dark park.
Maybe a kind person found them.
People don't know which house is ours.
That is true. We are in big trouble.
Let me check the car one more time.
I will stay here and wait for you.
Don't be afraid. I will be back soon.
I am not afraid. I'm just very cold.
Here, take my scarf. It is very warm.
Thank you, Mark. You are very kind.
I'm going to the parking lot now.
Please be fast. I hear a noise.
It is just the wind, Emma. Stay calm.
I am trying to stay calm. I am thinking.
They are not in the car. I checked everywhere.
Did you look under the seats?
Yes, I looked under the seats and in the box.
This is a disaster. What should we do?
We can call a locksmith. He can open the door.
A locksmith is very expensive at night. Let's call your brother. He has a spare key.
My brother is in another city this weekend.
Oh, I forgot. He is visiting his friends.
What about our neighbor, Mrs. Gable?
We never gave her a key. We only gave her plants.
I am calling the locksmith now. My battery is low.
What is the number? I can search for it.
Search for 24-hour locksmith in our area.
I found one. His name is Sam.
Call him quickly before your phone dies.
Hello? Sam? We are locked out.
What did he say? Is he coming?
He said he can come in 1 hour.
1 hour? We will be ice cubes by then.
He said the price is $100.
$100? That is a lot of money.
It is better than sleeping on the stairs.
Let's go to the cafe and wait there.
The cafe is closed now. It is 10 o'clock.
I forgot it is late. Time goes fast.
Let's sit in the car. The car has a heater.
That is a great idea. Let's go to the car.
Wait, I hear something in your pocket.
It is just my coins and my lighter.
No, it is a metal sound, a clicking sound.
I checked my pockets 3 times already.
Check the lining of your jacket. Sometimes things hide there.
Wait, I feel something hard.
Is it the keys? Please let it be the keys.
It is stuck in the corner of the lining.
Can you pull it out? Use your fingers.
There is a small hole in my pocket too.
We both need new clothes, Mark.
I am pushing it up. I can feel the ring.
Is it silver? Our key ring is silver.
I'm almost there. Just one more second.
My heart is beating very fast now.
Look, I found them.
Oh my God, you are a hero, Mark.
They were hiding in the bottom of my jacket.
I am so happy. Let's open the door.
Wait, I need to call Sam the locksmith.
Yes, call him and say no thank you.
Hello, Sam? We found the keys.
What did he say? Was he angry?
No, he said good for you, and hung up.
He is a nice man, but I'm happy he is not coming.
We saved $100 tonight.
We can buy a new jacket for you with that money.
And the new bag for you with no holes.
The key is turning. The door is open.
Finally, the air inside is so warm.
I'm going to make some hot chocolate.
And I'm going to sit on the sofa and rest.
Don't forget to lock the door from the inside.
I'm doing it now. Click, we are safe.
Where are you going to put the keys now?
I am putting them on the big hook near the door.
That is the best place for them.
No more pockets for my house keys.
The hot chocolate is ready. Take a cup.
Thank you. It is very sweet and warm.
My feet are finally getting warm again.
I am sorry for the stress, Emma.
It is okay. It was an adventure.
A cold adventure. I don't want another one.
Next time, we should have a key under the stone.
Under the stone in the garden. That is a good idea.
Or we can give a key to the neighbor.
Yes, let's give a key to Mrs. Gable tomorrow.
She is a very kind woman. She will help us.
I am looking at my jacket. The hole is very small.
Small holes can cause big problems.
I will ask my mother to fix it. She is good at sewing.
I can fix it too. I have a needle and thread.
You are a woman of many talents, Emma.
I just want to help my partner.
What time is it now? My phone is dead.
It is 10:30. Time to sleep soon.
I am charging my phone now. The battery is happy.
I am charging mine too. We need them for tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Sunday. No work, just rest.
We can stay in bed and watch movies.
And we don't need any keys for that.
No, only the remote control.
I am going to check the windows now.
Are they all closed and locked?
Yes, everything is safe and secure.
Good. I feel very peaceful now.
Me too. Good night, Emma.
Mark, are the keys still on the hook?
Yes, they are there. I see them.
Good. I don't want to look for them in the morning.
I am going to make a copy of the keys tomorrow.
Why do we need a copy?
One for you, one for me, and one for the garden.
That is a very smart plan.
I want a big, bright key ring. Maybe yellow.
Yellow is easy to see in the dark.
Or a key ring that makes a sound when you clap.
Do they have those? That is funny.
Yes, they are for people like us.
We are not old, Mark. We are just busy.
Busy and a bit messy sometimes.
I am going to clean my bag tomorrow morning.
And I am going to check all my pockets for holes.
We are learning from our mistakes.
That is how we get smarter every day.
I am happy we are home. The house smells like tea.
It smells like home, the best smell in the world.
I am going to turn off the lights now.
I will stay here for a minute and enjoy the quiet.
Don't stay too long. You need your sleep.
I am coming in a minute. Good night again.
Good night, Mark. See you in the morning.
Pockets. I hate pockets with holes.
I heard that.
Okay, I'm coming.
Sleep well, my hero.
Sleep well, Emma.